Blessed soul, Angela Cruz here. This meditation aims to restore and balance your chakras in your Akashic records. I invite you to sit with your spine erect and feet on the floor. Let's begin. Take a long, deep breath into your heart. Imagine that you are in the sacred chamber of your spiritual heart. This space here in the middle of your chest, it's where your truth, your unique truth, resides. Take a long, deep breath into your heart, connecting with your truth, connecting with who you really are, connecting with your purpose. Set the intention to release memories that do not empower you to fulfill your purpose right here, right now. To clear memories of lack, memories of scarcity, memories of doubts and uncertainty, memories that somehow hurt you and blur your unique truth, who you really are. These memories might be childhood memories, come from inner child wounds and traumas, also ancestral patterns and karmic agreements, and past life experiences. Your body is always working for you. Always. The Akashic intelligence of your body is always working for you. Your body is an Akashic temple. Your body holds your Akashic records. Be fully aware of your body and set the intention here in your heart to release old energies, stagnant energies, fears, old contracts and soul agreements that do not serve you, do not serve for your highest good, right here and right now. I invite you to open your crown chakra and receive golden lights from the universe, from the creator of all that is. Let those lights come into your head and bathe each cell of your body. So the lights are coming to your head, bathing your brain, your face, your ears or eyes, clearing imprints that you got in your childhood, your throat, and it's traveling down your body, your shoulders, back, neck, arms, hands, fingers, palms, your belly, your heart, lower back, all your back, your lungs, your spine, now your legs, feet, and the sole of your feet. And imagine that from the sole of your feet, grounding cords are going to connect with the healing center of Gaia. So all those energies, you could be aware of them or not, that do not serve you right now, they are going to be released from your body and recycled into the healing center of Gaia. The lava that transmute into safety, security, support, love, and protection from Mother Earth. So let the energies run and release what doesn't serve you, and let them be recycled, transmuted into Mother Earth lights, love and support. I'll hold space to you, and while your body is releasing those energies, I'll do some Ho'oponopono to help this process of purification. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. 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 Focus on the healing center of Gaia, and all those energies purified and transmuted are moving upwards, upwards, upwards through your grounding cord, and moving upwards, and it reaches the sole of your feet, and now is moving upwards through your legs, and now it's going to restore and balance each Akashic portal of yours, your chakras. So now it's in your root chakra, and it circulates clockwise, restoring and balancing. Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Can you see the color red? Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Take a long, deep breath into your root chakra. Amazing. Now those energies reaches your second chakra, your sacral portal. This Akashic portal, healing relationships, restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. The energies move clockwise, restoring and balancing. Can you see the color orange? Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Amazing. Now it reaches the solar plexus, and also it's going to move clockwise, restoring and balance your uniqueness, your authenticity, your personal power. Restoring and balancing, moving clockwise. Restoring and balancing. Connect with the color yellow. And take deep breath into it. Restoring and balancing. Restoring and balancing. Restoring and balancing. Ooh, amazing. Your first 3 physical chakras are all balanced and restored. Energy traveling freely. Now let's go to the bridge that is your heart, the bridge between your physical and spiritual chakras, you know? So here, all those energies reach here, your heart, circulating clockwise, restoring and balancing. Restoring and balance your truth, your unique and Akashic truth, the nature of your soul. Restoring and balancing. Take a long deep breath into your heart, and please connect with the color green. Restoring and balancing. Restoring and balancing. And take a long deep breath into your beautiful heart. Ooh. Amazing. Can you feel the lightness within you? Can you feel a deep sense of inner peace? Surrender to it. Surrender. Now let's go to your throat. Those energies reach your throat, the portal of your truth. The portal of full expression of your soul. When you speak your truth with confidence. So let those energies circulate your throat portal, restoring and balance, and connect with the color blue, light blue, restoring and balance, restoring and balance, and take deep breath into your throat, restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. And let those energies in your throat reach your ears. Focus on your ears now, please. Let's clear the tissues of rejection here and bring harmony in your ears. Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. And I invite you to take long deep breath into your ears. Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Amazing, amazing. Let it circulate clockwise. As we move upwards, all chakras keep moving, circulating clockwise, restoring, balancing. And now let's reach your third eye. Connect with the color blue. And circulates clockwise, restoring and balancing into your Akashic wisdom. all the wealth, infinite wealth and wisdom that you have in your Akashic records. All you need is in your records. All the answers you seek is in your records. All of it is in your records. So take a long, deep breath into your third eye and let those energies circulate clockwise, restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Ooh. And now reaches your crown chakra. Connect with the color purple. And those energies circulate clockwise, connecting, restoring and balancing as it connects to the spiritual richness that you have in your records. Restoring and balancing, restoring and balancing. Take a long, deep breath into your crown chakra. Amazing, isn't it? Can you see all your chakras very colorful? It's like the colors of the rainbow. So, and those energies now, they come out to your crown chakra, splash all around, and you are in a rainbow bubble. Restore and balance your auric field. And tuning all your portals and your auric field, tuning into the frequency of your truth. Be fully present in this moment. We are integrating in your spine and your auric field all the restorations and balance, boosting inner peace, love, and wisdom. I'll do some Ho'oponopono to integrate all of it at cell level. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. I love you. I thank you. 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 I'll hold space to you. From now on, be open and receptive to revelations of your truth, insights, self-discoveries that are going to be so helpful towards your soul path. Take a long, deep breath. I love you. I thank you.